How to remove someone from circle in Life360 app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In this page at the top, you can see the circle name that you are in right now. If you tap on this drop-down list, all the circles that you are a member of will be listed over here. You can select the circle from where you want to remove someone. Once you are in that particular circle, at the top left corner you can see the settings icon, tap on it. Now from here, choose the circle management option. In order to remove someone from the circle, you need to have the admin role. Here in this page, in the circle management section, you can see this delete circle members option, tap on it. You will be able to see all the members of the circle. You can select the person who you want to remove from this circle. Once you select the person, at the top right corner you can see the delete option. If you tap on delete, you will be able to successfully remove this person from this circle. So that's it. That's how you can easily remove someone from a circle in Life360 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.